Meaning of insignificance.
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 Insignificance. The term insignificance refers to something that is unimportant, trivial, or lacking in meaning or significance. It implies that the subject in question is not worthy of attention or consideration and does not have any impact on the overall outcome of a situation. Being deemed insignificant can be seen as a negative judgment, as it implies that something or someone is not valuable. However, it can also be liberating to recognize the insignificance of certain things, allowing one to focus on what truly matters and avoiding unnecessary stress or worry over trivial matters.